Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic My Village at a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. The village of Green Meadow was a peaceful place. It was surrounded by green hills and a small river. The people who lived there were kind and friendly. They loved the beautiful scenery and lived in harmony with nature. Every morning, the village would wake up to the cheerful chirping of birds and the gentle rustling of leaves. The villagers would start their day with a hearty breakfast of freshly baked bread, homemade jam, and a steaming cup of tea. After breakfast, they would go about their daily chores, tending to their farms, fishing in the brook, or crafting beautiful handicrafts. The village was a tight-knit community where everyone knew each other's names and looked out for one another. The villagers often gathered in the village square to share stories, sing songs, and dance. They celebrated festivals with great joy and enthusiasm. Their celebrations filled with color, music, and delicious food. Green Meadow had a rich history dating back centuries. The village was once a thriving center of trade, with merchants from far and wide coming to buy and sell goods. The villagers were proud of their heritage and passed down their traditions from generation to generation. As the world changed around them, the villagers of Green Meadow faced new challenges. Some young people were leaving the village to seek better opportunities in the city, while others were determined to preserve the traditional way of life. The village had a small school where children from the surrounding area could learn to read, write, and do basic arithmetic. The teachers were dedicated and caring, and they taught their students not only academics but also important life lessons. The village also had a small church where the villagers gathered for religious services. The church was a place of comfort and solace where people could find peace and spiritual guidance. Green Meadow was a special place, a haven of peace and tranquility in a world that was often filled with chaos and uncertainty. The villagers of Green Meadow were proud of their home and their way of life, and they were determined to protect it for generations to come.